Hi, I'm going to be showing you today how you can make an emoji corner bookmark. In the bag that you picked up, you should have the instructions for how to complete the project, a square of yellow paper, and a small envelope. Inside the envelope will be a mouth and a set of eyes. You will either get a set of heart-shaped eyes or white and black circles for white and black eyes for that. So if you are doing this on your own and you want to make additional ones, the sheet of paper is about 5.5 inches square if you wanted to make additional ones on your own. As I'm showing you, I'm going to use a piece of paper that has a different color on the back, so that'll hopefully make it a little bit easier to see some of the folds that I do. So to start this project, you are just going to fold the square into a rectangle, just like this. You're going to want to hold it so that the fold is at the bottom. You're going to take one corner and fold it up to the top and squeeze it nice and tight there. And then you're going to do the same with this side. This is going to fold up to the top corner. And then you end up with a square like this. You're going to open it back up, and this is where it's going to be helpful that I have the two different colors. You're going to take the top flap only, not both of them, just the top flap, and fold it down so the point is touching the bottom, like this. Next step, you're going to take this side, bring it up, and fold it inside the flap. So it's going to look like this. And then you're going to do the same with this side here. You're going to fold it up and then tuck it in. And this is the basic shape for a corner bookmark. Now, in order to make it an emoji one, I have the yellow sheet here that I already did. We're going to open up the little envelope to see. And I have two hearts and a mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and glue one eye on this side. Oops. The other eye like this. And then the mouth. If you want to, you can trim the edges to make it a little bit more circular, since a lot of times the emojis are a circular shape. So I'm just going to trim the corners. Like this, and that's it. Now to use your corner bookmark, you just get to the page that you want and you stick it over the edge like this, and then it'll close nice like that, and you can tell which side where you left your space. All right, enjoy. Happy reading.